Welcome to my channel, friends. I am Gopa Chakraborty. So today I will show you again some summer collection. প্রচন্ড গরম summer collection ই দেখাতে হবে, তা নাহলে আপনাদের বোধহয় খুশি করতে পারবো না। দেখি আমরা সব summer collection এনেছি আজকে, প্রচুর চান্দেরি silks which are comfortable, আরামসে পরা যান, কোনো অসুবিধা হয় না চান্দেরি পরে। তো আমরা প্রথমে চান্দেরি দেখাবো, আরও কিছু দেখাই, অনেক কিছু এনেছি, কিছু ডিসকাউন্টেড রেটসেরও শাড়ি আছে। তো লাস্ট অবধি দেখবেন প্রোগ্রামটা। আমাদের কেয়াতলা স্টোরে আসুন, আমাদের টলিগঞ্জ স্টোরে আসুন, বোথ আর ওপেন। আর এখন সেফটি মেনটেন করতে গেলে অনলাইন ইজ দেয়ার, কোনো অসুবিধা তো নেই। তাই আমি এবার শুরু করি, প্রোগ্রামটা দেখতে থাকুন। প্রথম শাড়ি দেখাই চান্দেরিতে, দেখুন শাড়িটা, look at this piece. এগুলো আমাদের সেই স্পেশালাইজড বাটিক্স they beautifully done up, একটু ডিজাইনিং করেছে, which is like this with archel section. Oh, this will come to the yoke, sorry, the saree goes like this actually, এরকম ভাবে শাড়িটা আসবে। This is the typical narangi color, আমাদের narangi color এর শাড়ি, floral design. This goes for 2800. Chanderis আমাদের এখান থেকে very famous, very popular from Greenhouse, this kind of batiks. আরেকটা batik দেখাই, number 2, saree number 2. This is a raising design all throughout, a concept again. Hold it tight please. 2800 for this saree number 2. এটাও খুব সুন্দর with this gorgeous আঁচল। Very breezy, very comfortable. Number 3, saree number 3. Saree number 3. এগুলো খুব চটপট বুকিং হয়, তো বি ভেরি কেয়ারফুল, এগুলো বুকিং করুন ফাস্ট। Message me, WhatsApp me and send me a screenshot if possible, and turn to the other side. Wonderful grass green color with a zari border. 2800 please. All Kashish prints, ink blue color, they're all dyed like this, and there's a tuck stitch all throughout, the tribal coarse tuck stitches to highlight the saree. A wonderful piece. And it has a blouse piece also, very traditional, and this is on Maheshwari. This costs 4900. We are giving 300 rupees discount on this saree. 300 rupees discount on a Maheshwari, and all throughout there are tribal stitches, coarse stitches. 300 rupees discount for this saree. Saree number 5. Lovely Kashish print, Maheshwari, Maheshwari cotton. Now this is cotton silk. Silk cotton, sorry, silk is more, cotton is less. This is silk cotton with the Gicha temple border. The Achal section. Very comfortable for your summers again. This material, Maheshwari, is very comfortable for summer use. Again 300 rupees I am giving off for these sarees. 300 rupees off on these sarees. This has a blouse piece of its own. The polka dots one. And the number 6 one, again with the same concept. Typical Rajasthani prints. This is again a kind of a process which they use and make it on saris. This is with the narrow Gicha border, and all throughout the tuck stitches, you emphasize on this, that there are tuck stitches all throughout. Achal is also embedded with tuck stitches. The stitches, they are all highlighted by stitches, a tribal effect. This sari costs 4,900. We are giving 300 rupees off on this sari. 300 rupees off on this sari with the blouse piece. You'll be very happy to wear this material. Material is so good. I am very fond of Maheshwaris. Very light to carry. All on Maheshwari. All tuck stitches done on Maheshwari. All tuck stitches done on Maheshwari. Coarsely done. All done from tribals. Lovely. Why are you giving me this side? You just tighten it. Yes. This is also a Kashish print. Number 7. Number 7 with the blouse like this. This is the blouse piece. This sari costs 5,600 for the material. Very high quality Maheshwari. 5,600. We are giving 300 rupees off on this sari. 300 rupees off on this sari. Oh, this is the clamp work. Clamp work is a special kind of skill. Hold it tight, please. You need not bring it nearer to me. You just hold it tight. Yes. এইভাবে tight করে ধরো. This sari costs, this is also on Maheshwari, more of silk, less of cotton, silk cotton saris. 6,200 for this Maheshwari with temple Gicha border. Gicha border. And this kind of blouse piece. Look at this sari. Look at the blouse section. And very light, very premium quality Maheshwari. This is going for 6,200. This is going for clamp dyed Maheshwari is going for 6,200, please. 6,200 for this sari. Okay. One more Kashish print. hold it tight. Yes, this sari is number 9. This is a Kashish print. This is also on silk cotton Maheshwari with zari border. This costs 4,900. Why don't you hold it tight, please? 4,900, and this is the Aanchal section. And here goes the blouse piece. This is the blouse section. This sari costs 4,600. We are giving 300 rupees less on this sari. 300 rupees less on this sari. This has a zari border. One more Maheshwari. I'll be finishing off with my Maheshwaris. They are all on with discount, so hurry up and please WhatsApp me if you have wanted to take something. This sari costs only 3,800. Maheshwari with zari border. And this is the blouse section. Small bird design. The color in the design, show them the design. Design is so beautiful. So to please tight karo. You need not do anything else. This has a bird design. Number 11. Saris on very lucrative offer. There's a big offer for these saris. This is on Manipur silk. 2,800 for number 11. 2,800 for number 11. All embroidered motifs. All throughout, show them the motifs. They are so nicely done up. And the woven border. This is the Aanchal section. This is the blouse part. I have only one piece left with me. Only one piece left with me. This is going for 2,500 only. 2,500 only. 2,500 for this piece. Number 12. There's a blouse piece. The first part of this is blouse, and then the aanchal of it. Sari is a woven one. Look at the sari, beautiful one, for only 2,400. 2,400. This sari, I am giving you 400 rupees less on this sari, please. 2,000. The sari is going for only 2,000. Number 13. Sari number 13. This is on Banaras Kora. Hold it tight. Banaras Kora This is typical Dhakai work. Look at the peacocks. They have donned peacocks on the sari. The sari costs 4,200. I am giving 500 rupees off on this sari, please. 500 rupees off on this sari. 500 rupees off, lot of discount. Only one piece for this kind. This is a gorgeous one, number 14. Number 14. This is grey in color. This is a beautiful border down there and aanchal. This is complete sari. And the sari is for 3,400 with this beautiful motifs all throughout. All throughout. Look at the cut work. This is actually cut work design. They're all cut work. We are giving 500 rupees off on this sari. 500 rupees off on this sari. Go for these. Number 15. Purana Bushari. Number 15. This is Manipur silk, cut work design all throughout. Dekhun border hai. It's a cut work design all throughout. 9 yards border. Such a beautiful piece. Look at this sari. $3,600. 400 rupees off on this sari. 400 rupees off on this sari. Come on, they are very pocket friendly. Help us to create the stock. Number 16. Number 16. This is on Manipur silk. Beautiful print. Kalamkari print. 2100 taka dam. I am giving for 1600 only. They are not any kind of defects are not there. 2100 taka, 1600 you are getting this sari for 1600 only. Yeah, this is the very beautiful one. Number 17. Look at the workmanship. Look at the embroidery. We had lot of colors in this. This is the only piece left with us. All embroidered. Down below there is a broad border. Down below. Eta dekhun. This section, the blouse piece. This sari cost 3,200. 200 rupees discount again on this sari also. 200 rupees discount. This goes for 3,000. Number 18. Again an embroidered one. The price is less as because they are not handloom stuff, they are all powerloom stuff. So this is 2100 only. This goes for 2100. They are wearable, they are very nice. This sari costs 2100. See the sari for once again. At the niche portion, the daman portion, dekhun, is a work, embroidered work. This is for 2100. This is for 2100 with the blouse piece. And I am giving you 200 rupees off on this sari also, going for 1900. This sari is going for 1900 only. Number 19. Oh, they're all nice ones. For a reasonable price, you could, why don't you tighten it? This is like this. This is number 19. The sari is for 3200. Look at the sari. Look at this. These are all cut work. Cut work done up. They are good ones, but only one color is left. That is why giving at this rate. This sari costs 3200 with this kind of palla. Look at the whole sari. Lovely piece. This sari costs 3200. I am giving this for 3000. 3000 for this sari. Number 20. This is a very stylish one. Easily you can take this. Number 20. This goes for 3100. Lovely katha work, all done up. Kathar kaj kora ache dekhun egulote. All throughout katha work. And niche border it is like this. This is a cotton silk material. Light material, light to carry. It is not that they are very heavy and bulky things. Is easily, they are all wearable saris, beautiful ones. It is going for only 3100. It's going for 3100. I am giving you 200 rupees less on this sari also. Tight. 2100, 3100. I am giving you 200 rupees less for this sari. Oh, this is again one piece left with us. This kind of Kashmiri embroidery. This color is left with us. This is also on Bhagalpur silk. Kashmiri work. Number 21. 4200. You are getting at 3900 now. There is a tassel all throughout on the palla. The complete sari looks like this. This goes for 3,900 dear. 3,900 for this sari. Oh, this is again a Bhagalpur tussar, all embroidered, only one piece, একটাই ছিল আমাদের কাছে, I wanted to give away. I wanted to give away this sari. This is 3,000. The sari is going for 3,000. I am giving this sari for 2,500. 2,500. Wonderful piece. देखो जेटा देया ही जाए. Beautiful thing. For 2,500 only. 2500 টাকা দাম. Yeah, this is in handloom material. Actor হয়ে গেছে এখানে. This goes for 2,600. Woven achal, the black one. How dressy. গরম কালে দারুণ শাড়ি. Very beautiful stuff. All embroidered. They're woven. They are all woven. 2,600 only. 2600 টাকা দাম. I am giving this for 2,000. I am giving this for 2,000 only. Very light material, a beautiful stuff. We have sold all our sarees for 26. I am giving you this for 2,000 only. 2,000 for this, and we have a blouse section. Blouse section for this saree. Yeah, the lot came from Banaras and we are left with 3 of these sarees. 3 of these sarees. Very dressy, very beautiful ones. All woven. Why don't you hold it tight? All woven with zari border. These are for 3,900. 3,900 dear. And now I'll declare this we will give you for 300 rupees less. 3,600 for a wonderful, gorgeous piece. 3,600 for this piece. 3,600 with the blouse piece also. We have a blouse piece also. 3,600 going rate is 3,600 only. All zari border, zari woven. Lovely color. Take away. All for 36. This is the second last. Pick up, hurry up. Otherwise you'll get disappointed. Jaldi. Lifetimes ato kom kokhono deini. 3,400 for this saree also. 3,400 for this piece. All woven ones. Party wear sarees for 3,400. With this kind of achal. Party wear sarees, Meenakari work. কাজটা একটু ভালো করে দেখিয়ে দাও. Focus on this work. This is the last piece. Very gorgeous. Dual tone. sea green and blue together. Look at this. Friends, I've shown you a lot of sarees on discount, which is not done by Greenhouse generally, but this time I wanted to clear away my stock. Please try to help me out. They're all good. They're not defective ones. They're real ones, only that I'm left with one each, or few from any few of other kind also. So please just try to help me out and clear my stock. Thank you, friends.